Hello everyone, today we're excited to introduce the No Tools Adjustable Folding TV Tray Table Desk, a versatile and portable solution perfect for both indoor and outdoor use. This innovative table requires no assembly, making it ready to use straight out of the box, and its lightweight design allows you to easily carry it with one hand, making it ideal for camping or RV trips. With 4 height adjustments and 3 tilt angles, this table adapts to your needs whether you're dining, working, reading, or browsing the web, and its compact size means it can be conveniently stored under your bed or sofa when not in use. The table's patented Z-shaped design ensures stability while the plastic foot caps protect your floors from scratches, and the resin tabletop is a breeze to clean with just a damp cloth. Measuring 20.87 inches wide and 14.76 inches deep, with a tabletop size of 18.9 by 13.8 inches, this table is not only multifunctional but also a smart space-saving addition to any home or office. Whether you're using it as a laptop stand, a side table, or a serving tray, this folding table is designed to meet all your needs with ease and convenience. So, if you're looking for a reliable and practical table that combines functionality with portability, this adjustable folding TV tray table desk is the perfect choice for you. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.